Greetings and welcome to InfoTrend. Today we're happy to share the news about our newest model, GS 5090. So let's take a look. As we already have a video covering our high-density model range, we will glass over the main points briefly here, focusing more on the differences between the newest model and the existing ones. By the way, you will find the link to our previous video about high-density models in the video description below. Previously, we've had GS 3000 and 4000 models in our high-density range, but now we are adding our GS 5000 model here as well. Important thing to mention here is that we have a C version of our high-density models, where we have separate slots dedicated to hosting NVMe drives that will be used as SSD cache for the whole system. In case of a 90-bay system, there will be 4 dedicated slots for these drives. We will talk about this function in more detail a bit later down the line. Now, for the main highlights of the newest model. First of all, it is equipped with the latest Intel Xeon 12-core Scalable CPU, the same one that we're using in GS 5024UE model. Besides that, it supports DDR5 memory and it is equipped with SAS 24GB ports for future expansions, and provides PCIe Gen 5 slots to install additional host boards with channels of up to 200 gig. All of the above allows the system to achieve an incredible 45 gig per second throughput. All in all, it is a perfect fit for demanding M&E and backup applications. Next, for the main product features. First things first, GS family is a unified storage, meaning that we can use it as a block level as well as a file level storage. In case of block level, we're looking for the best performance and low latency with wide range of physical interfaces: Fiber Channel, iSCSI, SAS. And for the file level, we're striving for flexibility and simplicity overall, with a variety of supported file level protocols such as CIFS or Samba, NFS, and many others, including S3 Object Protocol as well. On the hardware side of things, we have completely redundancy for all of the major components: controllers, PSUs, fans, and so on. Besides the high availability that our redundant and hot swappable design provides, we can also achieve higher performance levels as both controllers are processing input and output operations for the servers in use. Next point, as promised, we will discuss cache variations in our systems. All in all, cache is a high-speed layer of storage that will host the most frequently used data. Because future requests will be directly processed through cache, overall systems performance will be noticeably improved. Now, in our storages, there are 2 types of it. First would be DRAM cache. All of our systems are using it as a baseline cache. Every controller also has a built-in supercapacitor to provide power to RAM in case of a power outage to prevent data loss. Another type is SSD cache, where we will be using actual solid-state drives as cache. It will allow us to have more usable space for cache purposes and will drastically increase the performance of our system, up to 300% in case of M&E, for example. However, our high-density range is not only about the performance. We'll also save a lot of space using it. What would usually be achieved by populating your whole rack with expansion enclosures instead can be installed in a 4U form factor. Besides the optimal space utilization, we will also have a more efficient power consumption. Important to note that even a 90-bay system can be both scaled up with JBODs as well as scaled out with other GS systems, which can even be from different generations or form factors as well. For space optimization, we will be able to use deduplication and compression functionalities on both file and block levels. Finally, for the use cases. Today we will take a look at a TV station that was looking for a NAS-based storage solution with high throughput and capacity to help with their developing OTT service. We were happy to provide our GS 5090C model with 90 HDDs and 4 NVMe drives, which will be serving as a file-level SSD cache in this case. Again, the main advantages of this system, which are high capacity and accelerated performance, allowed us to meet all the prerequisites and successfully deploy the storage solution into production. And now we would like to share a use case for high-performance computing application that includes our GS5090C storage solution. In this case, the company processes massive amounts of data and requires a high-performance and cost-effective storage solution. Besides, the storage system must be integrated with Lustre parallel file system and support up to 100 computing nodes to handle the computational load. Our key advantages here are massive storage capacity with 3 systems of GS5090. The whole rack of 12U provides a total of 5.4 petabytes of space. Exceptional throughput. Solution is able to provide an impressive 135 gigs of read and 60 gigs of total write throughput in this case. And finally, performance boost with NVMe cache. Each system is using 4 NVMe drives for cache purposes, which allows us to achieve the before mentioned result. One last thing, in addition to the GS5090, Infratrend offers a comprehensive range of high-density as well as regular HDD storage solutions. As you can see, we also have GS4000 and 3000 series, each catering to different workload needs and budget constraints. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please feel free to scan the QR code on your screen to go directly to our website and check out our new products. We will be waiting for your feedback. Thank you.